she gave me the idea to make one of them.
Oh no. Oh. Hi everyone. Today's project is welcome to Tiny Takeover. Today's project is Busy Boards!
So, first thing is, for the busy board, Daddy has kindly got us this piece of wood.
Is it going to be this long?
Yep, it's going to be this big. We've got lots of things to put
I
in it.
thought it could be green.
Now, we're going to choose. We can either paint it white,
Yeah.
or we can varnish it, which means it will look like this, but it will look slightly darker, but it will have this kind of effect. What do we want to do?
Paint it white. Yeah, paint
Okay.
it.
Go. Keep going. Get lots on there. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Chloe's going to get it on me. Oh, we should have got something on. Right. When we put these on, we need to make sure they're not going to go all the way through. Can you see? Yeah? Otherwise they're going to screw this to here, and we want to put this in the playroom.
We've got a handle.
Door handle.
We've got this.
So we're going to have to clip right in.
So she can take it out and pop it in. And it could also be a handle. So you can lift it up with it.
And we've got some of these. This, haven't we?
This milk and chocolate she loves playing with.
But it doesn't work anymore, does it?
So yeah, so we're gonna use it. And we've got this
thingy. So we're gonna go upstairs now.
Yeah.
And
go to the cricket maker.
what are we going to write on here?
Oh, we're gonna write Rosa. Rosa's birthday.
Well, we could write Happy Birthday Rosa, but it's going to be up all year round, isn't it? So we could just write Rosa Bear, or we could write Rosa, so she can learn her letters in her name. Now, is it dry, the paint?
No.
No. Okay, so we're going to plan these bits out now, where we want them.
Here. That'll be fine. What does that do? It's for the door.
So we're going to glue on that bit there and that bit there. All the way up there. Really, really hard.
Why really, really hard?
Pardon?
Why really, really hard?
So it sticks really, really well. So she can't pull it off. What we've been doing is we've been glue gunning some of these toys. Little sheepy here. Gonna get a hot pot. To Velcro, so then she can pull them off and stick them on. Okay, slowly again. What else do we need to stick on there?
We need to do this. This.
Yeah.
And we need to do another one of these here. Gonna need some as well.
Do we want, if we put the ball in here, do we want it to go like that? So when it's stood up, you put the ball in and it comes round and out here. So, do you want to show everyone what the busy board does?
So it's got Rosa on it, and get sheep. And these star and sheep come off, and you put them back on. So it's kind of like a Velcro. And there's handles. There's handles up there.
Nice.
And there's handles up there.
And there's
a chain that you do.
And let's face. What's this for?
You put a ball in that fits and then it goes down here onto the cup.
And look, we also made it loose so you can just make twists and turns.
And there is this handle. And watch it. We actually didn't plan this, but it just went like that.
We planned it.
So it's really good.
And we
And
got
then
some
we've got
switches.
some switches, 2 different types of switches. And then we've got this that she loves to play
The
with.
idea to make one of them.
Oh no.
You might need to just. Mummy was a little bit impatient and she didn't screw it down, so she just stuck it down. Clearly, we need to screw it down, don't we?
How?
The screws, you just put them in the back. We might put a few more words on,
Yeah, we
like
put
pull and things like that. Push, twist,
twist.
stick.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye! See you later, alligator kids.
Bye!
Bye! See you next time.
So, is it the best project you've done?
It's the best project we've done. But
Because Mummy was involved, isn't it?
yeah, because Mummy was
Well,
involved. Yeah!
Yeah, it is.
Yeah! This is my pose.
Come on, girls, let's go.